Hi everyone, I'm Javier, an intern at Inventive Media. I wanted an experience that pushed me beyond the classroom, and I definitely found it here. From day one, I was trusted with real projects. I handled UI/UX design in Figma, built custom WordPress plugins, and optimized the performance of our live websites. I even helped block a live bot attack on our servers, which gave me real-world confidence a textbook simply cannot provide. I also work on a full-stack Excel app using Laravel. My main focus was refactoring code and optimizing the database so the system could seamlessly handle multiple students taking tests at the exact same time. Inventive Media treated me like a real developer. Mr. Henry, Mom Badge, and the amazing team at Inventive Media, thank you for trusting me, guiding me, letting me create great things. It has been an experience I will never forget.